Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in with your school account. Use the provided credentials so your classes sync. Once signed in, make sure to grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions so uploads and live sessions work. Next, tap Join Class or Create Class and enter the class code or accept the teacher invite. This starts your workflow immediately. Do not skip permissions because they enable submissions, video, and screenshots during lessons. Once inside a class, use the stream for quick announcements and deadline highlights. Scan posts to prioritize tasks. Then open classwork to find assignments, rubrics, and attached files. Download materials or tap Submit to attach your work. Make sure to use the Drive integration to select documents or create a folder for each class so everything stays organized. If you edit a file, the app saves automatically, so double-check version names before submission to avoid overwriting. You'll participate in live lessons by tapping the Meet link. Mute when not speaking and use chat for questions. After submission, check grades and teacher feedback to track progress and request clarification when something is unclear. To finish, review returned work and follow resubmit instructions if allowed. If things go wrong, like items not syncing, sign out, clear the app cache, and reconnect to a stable network. If that fails, restart the device and try again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.